How to see the dislikes in YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see the dislikes in a YouTube video. Now, this YouTube feature allows YouTubers to hide their dislike buttons, dislike numbers. So if you want to see the dislike numbers, you can simply use this trick. First of all, head over to your extensions. Simply tap on Manage Extensions, and here you will be able to see all of your extensions. Now the extension that you want to download is Return YouTube Dislike. I already have it in here. If you want to download it, open up your Chrome Web Store, and in your extension search for YouTube Dislike, and you'll find Return YouTube Dislike option there. Now this extension, simply tap on Add to Chrome, and after you add it to Chrome, you are good to go. Now all you need to do is head over to your extension, tap on Return YouTube Dislike, and open this up. Now before you start, you might want to restart your reload your YouTube, and then just turn this on. And yeah, there you go. You have basically used the extension to return YouTube dislikes. So that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.